Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this smartband. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Now you can scroll through the watch face menu by swiping left and right. On the screen you can find the watch face you would like to use on your smartband, and once you find the watch face you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera like this. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our smartband we can open the Galaxy wearable application. It should be somewhere here. I don't see it, so let's open this menu, and it's here. So we can open the app, and in the app, actually let me reopen it so we can see the device page like this. So once you open the app, you will see this page with the Galaxy Fit 3 on it. Now we can tap on watch faces, and here we have the list of favorites. This is basically the list of watch faces on your smartband, and you can tap on one to select it and apply it. You can also add different watch faces from the store. Here we have the list, and you can tap on one, tap on add, and it's gonna be basically downloaded and installed rather, and once it's installed it should be applied on your smartband. So let's wait. As you can see, it was applied. Okay, and of course once you're done you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.